Namaste Vidyarthigale. In the previous class, we have discussed the problems on regression analysis, and in correlation and regression analysis, we have solved the previous problems on regression analysis. Myself, Dr. Lakshmama Echa, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government Facility College, American, Bangalore district. Let us, in this session, let us discuss some more problems on regression analysis. So here, a survey was conducted to study the relationship between sales and advertisement, and the following results were obtained. Okay, here they are given the sales values 80 and advertisement it should be assumed as y variable, it is 100, and standard deviation they are given here 5 and y it is 9, and correlation they are given for x and y variable, that is 0.9. Okay, so the question they are asked the three sub questions here. Calculate the two regression equation, that is x on y as well as y on x we have to calculate, and find the likely sales when advertisement is rupees 160. Okay, and find the likely advertisement when sales is rupees 120. These three questions we have to compute with the help of this data. So here they are given x mean is 80, y mean is 100, and x standard deviation x is 5 and standard deviation y is 9. So a correlation they are given 0.9. Okay, this type of questions they may ask for 15 marks. So practice similar type of problems for the examination purpose. Okay, students. So let us take sales as x variable and advertisement as y variable. So the regression equation y on x, first we will compute y on x. For that the formula is y minus y mean is equal to correlation standard deviation y divided by standard deviation x, x minus x mean. So this is the formula for calculating regression equation y on x. So y minus y mean they are given in the problem 100, correlation given in the problem 0.9, and standard deviation y given in the problem 9, and standard deviation x they are given 5. X minus x mean they are given 80. So what we have to find, what we have to do now? Y minus 100 is equal to 0.9 into 9 divided by 5. You will get 1.62. Okay, so x minus 80. So now y minus 100 is equal to 1.62x, it will be 1.62x minus 1.62 into 80, it will be 130. So next y is equal to 1.62x minus 130 and it will be plus 100. So now y on x equation we get here y is equal to 1.62x. See here, minus into plus it will become minus. We have to make it as minus. So minus 30. So what do we get here? So we got here y is equal to 1.62x minus 30. That is regression equation y on x. Okay, students. So this is the formula we are going to use. So substitute the values to the formula. We will get regression equation y on x is equal to 1.62x minus 30. Okay. Now let us move on to regression equation x on y. So regression equation x on y is equal to x minus x mean is equal to correlation standard deviation x divided by standard deviation y, y minus y mean. Now x minus 80, standard deviation x, that is y, x mean is equal to 80 and correlation is 0.9, standard deviation x is 5, y is 9, y minus y mean is 100. So take the values in the problem and substitute the values. You will get x minus 80 is equal to 0.5, that is 0.9 into 5 divided by 9. You will get 0.5. Okay, y minus 100. Now x minus 80 is equal to 0.5 into y, 0.5y. Okay, minus 0.5 into 100, you will get 50. So x is equal to 0.5y minus 50 plus 80. So x is equal to 0.5y minus into plus, it will become minus. So plus 80, the value is more, therefore it is plus 30. Okay. So this is x on y. So y on x, this is y on x equation, and this is x on y equation. Like that, we have to compute two regression equations. Okay. So in the question, what they are asking, calculate the two regression equations they are asked to here. We have find out here y on x equation, that is first one, and x on y equation, that is second equation. So what question they are asking, the previous second question is, find the likely sales when advertisement is 160. Advertisement 160 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, at the same time third question is, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ 120 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು. These two questions we have to compute with the help of equation. So see here, the equation is, okay, if advertisement 160 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x is equal to 0.5 by plus 30. This is equation alva, x on y equation alva. So x is equal to 0.5, y place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 160 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ plus 30. So x is equal to 0.5 into 160, you will get 80 plus 30. So x is equal to 110. So ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 160 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, 110 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. At the same time, if sales should be 120, how much is the advertisement expenditure? Okay, so y is equal to 1.62x minus 30. So that is equal to, y is equal to 1.62. In the place of x, you put 120. They are given in the problem 120 minus 30. So y is equal to 194 minus 30. Y is equal to 164. Okay. So, ಏನೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟಾ, calculate two regression equation, calculate value of x when y is equal to 80 and y when x is equal to 90. So similar type of problem. Two regression equation anna find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ x value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು when y it is 80 and y value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು x if it is 90. Okay, determine the value of correlation coefficient through regression coefficient. See, when we compare to previous problem, see here what they are given. They are not given correlation coefficient. We have to compute. ನಾವೇ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ, ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾರ್ಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರಲೇಷನ್. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಓಕೆ. So similarly, we have to calculate the values here. So here x variable they are given, y variable they are given. So based on this x variable and y variable, we have to compute the correlation. Correlation coefficient anna regression ಇಂದ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಬರುವಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. So like that we have to compute the problem. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್, ವೈ ಮೀನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ and the values they are given in the problem. Correlation also. But in this indirect method, they won't give correlation, they won't give x mean, y mean, standard deviation also they won't give. At that time, how you are going to find out See, I'll show how to find out the values. Okay. So we have to make table. X variable, Y variable. You take as it is in the question 40, 48, 52, 68 and 72. Y variable 20, 24, 28, 36, 72. So what we have to make now? We have to make all the total. Total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 280. This is actual mean method. So actual mean ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು 280 ಬಂತು. 280 divided by number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 280 divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 56 ಬಂತು. Okay. 280 divided by 5, you will get 56. Okay. Similarly, that is called as x mean. X mean is equal to 56. So y variable they are given 20, 24, 28, 36, 72. The total it will comes to 180. So 180 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು 180 divided by number of items. Number of items ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 180 divided by 5, you will get 36. Okay. So you will get 36. Idenidu y mean. So x mean is 56, y mean is 36. Next, even madbeku x value find out madbeku. How to find out the x value? X minus x mean. X andre idu 40 minus 56 minus 16, 48 minus 56 minus 8. 52 minus 56 minus 4, 68 minus 56, 12, 72 minus 56, 16. Okay, like that you have to compute x value. Now y is equal to y minus y mean. Y mean ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 36. So y ಯಾವುದು y variable. So 20 minus 36, you will get 16 minus 16. 24 minus 36 minus 12. 28 minus 36 minus 8. 36 minus 36, 0. 72 minus 36, 36. Okay, this is how you are calculating x value and y value. Okay, students. Now we will move on to x into y. This is x, this is y. So what we have to do now? XY. This is we require sigma XY. For calculating the regression, we require sigma XY. So 16 into 16, 256. Okay. 8 into 12, 96. 4 into 8, 32. 12 into 0, 0. 16 into 36, 576. Okay. Like that you have to compute xy value, sigma xy. We call it as sigma xy. Okay. Now this is x. No, x is equal to x minus x mean find out ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ. So x ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. See here square 16 into 16 256. 8 into 8, 64. 4 into 4, 16. 12 into 12, 144. 16 into 16, 256. Okay. Like that you have to compute x square. Okay. See students here, x square. Adhe tara y square. So this is y alva. 16 into 16, 12 into 12, 8 into 8, 0. 36 into 36, you will get 1296. This is y square. So ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ sigma xy total ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, sigma x square total ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, sigma y square total ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay students, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we all move to the equation, regression equation y on x. Okay, y on x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ y on x for equation. So y minus y mean is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square x minus x mean. Okay, ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ correlation, standard deviation, we are going to use this formula. ಇದು ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ y minus y mean ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ 36 is equal to sigma xy 960 divided by sigma x square 736, x minus x mean is 56. Okay, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ as it is ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This part is changes, remaining all whatever the procedure we are following in the previous problem, it is same. Okay, so y minus 36 is equal to 960 divided by 736, you will get 1.30, x minus 56. So y minus 36 is equal to 1.30 x minus 1.30 into 56, you will get 72.8. So y is equal to 1.30x minus 72.8 plus 36. Now y is equal to 1.30x minus 36.8. This is equation y on x. Okay, students? Okay, shall we move to the next step? Okay, now regression equation x on y. For this, x minus x mean is equal to sigma xy by sigma y square y minus y mean. So x minus 56 is equal to 960 divided by 1760 y minus 36. So x minus 56 is equal to 960 divided by 1760, 0.54. Okay, y minus 36. Y x minus 56 is equal to 0.54y into y, 0.54y minus 0.54 into 36, 19.63. So x is equal to 0.54y minus 19.63 plus 56. So now x is equal to 0.54y minus into plus, it will become minus. So minus, we have to make minus, but plus 56 value is more, therefore plus 36.37. This is regression equation x on y. Okay, students? So table ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು y on x ಮತ್ತೆ x on y ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ x is equal to 0.21y plus 48.44, because y value they are given. No, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, CA. Okay, where calculate the value of x when y is equal to 80 and y value when x is 90. This we have to compute. So already we are calculated two regression equation. Okay, we are find out the regression coefficient also, we are find out two regression equations also. Next, the last step is we have to find out the values of x and y value. Y value, if it is 80, how much is the x value? X value, if it is 90, how much is the y value? This we have to compute. Okay, so now that is x is equal to 0.21y plus 48.44. We have to find out x when y is equal to 80. Okay, so 0.54 into 80 plus 36.37. So that is equal to 43.2 plus 36.37. That is equal to x is equal to 79.57. Okay, so now x is equal to 73.57. Okay, now y is equal to 1.30x minus 36.8. So y is equal to 1.30 into 90 minus 36.8. So So y is equal to 117 minus 36.8, y is equal to 80.2. When x is equal to 90, y it is 80.2. And when y is equal to 80, x is equal to 79.57. Okay, students, like this we have to compute the problems on regression equation. Okay, so practice similar type of problems, previous question paper problems for the examination purpose. So we will continue in the next class. Okay, students, thank you.